These are just some of the checks that I just got last month. I had over 18 signings and netted over $1,000. If you don't believe me, just take a look at this. Those are my numbers from when I first started up until now. If you see that big bar, those were my numbers for last month. Honestly, this course is one of the best courses that I could highly recommend to anybody who's wanting to become a notary or even somebody who's already a notary. I have a full-time job that I'm doing, working 9 to 5, and it's your basic, W-9, your benefit job. After taking the loan signing system course, this allowed me to have a little bit of extra play money for myself and also for bills that we all have. This course has changed my life in the fact that it's allowing me to work after hours, work on the weekends, and bring in some extra money to benefit myself and my family. For somebody who's on the fence about this course, I say this course is the top course to take. Not only are you learning the top 5 most important documents in regards to being a loan signing agent, getting a list of 300 plus signing services, as well as great marketing skills, you're getting a coach who's always behind you and supports you no matter what. You're getting the community behind you that's always here for you and always will help you out. Mark, I thank you every day for everything you do. I appreciate what you continue to do for LSS and the future people of LSS.